Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. Today is Wednesday, Whip Wednesday. I haven't made a video in a little while. I've just been extremely busy, as you can tell, with my son, Nasser. But today I wanted to hop on here and make a video and talk to you. Excuse the way I look. I have extremely horrible allergies. The weather is changing, and I actually tried filming this video 3 times now, and I keep having sneeze attacks, so hopefully let's get through this one. But I have a lot of information to share with you, and I didn't want to write about it. I just wanted to verbally tell you so you can hear me say these, tell you this information. So I'll get right into it, and hopefully I don't have a sneeze attack in this video. First of all, how are you doing? How is everybody doing? Do you have allergies too? I am suffering. But I took some allergy medication, and hopefully it'll pass very soon. Yeah, I can start to feel it's making me drowsy, so I might go take a nap after this, because Nasser's napping right now, so I can film this video. But anyways, what's on your crochet hook? Are you crocheting something fabulous? I just finished this Aspen baby blanket. I released this pattern this past week. Love it so much. It is so beautiful, so soft, and the 3D effect with the front and back post stitches just are so wonderful. I love it. So I'm really happy to have shared this with you. I hope you make this too and share photos on YARNutopia, or if you share photos on Instagram, hashtag YARNutopia, so I can see your work. This took me collectively, it took me only like a week to make, but it took me like a month because my life is so incredibly busy with Nasser and his therapies and everything. So that's taking up my whole life right now. But I love it. He is doing so wonderfully. He is saying so many more words now and communicating a lot better. So I'm really happy. We now have like full conversations in the morning. He's like, "Good morning." I'm like, "Good morning." He's like, "How are you?" He can like say many words at once. It's so cute, and his motor skills are crazy insane. He is climbing on everything. He has no fear. He just is a wild animal. But I love him so much, and he is everything to me, so I love it. And yeah, so I want to talk to you though today about a few things that are happening. First off, I'll get right into it. I've been sending emails this week every single day, and I've been posting about it every single day on all my social platforms of the fall crochet bundle. A lot of you are very interested in these crochet bundles. Some don't, it doesn't matter, but for this bundle, it is such a fabulous crochet bundle that I want to promote it to you all here. So you should check it out. It's only $19. If you're not sure what it is a bunch of us designers got together and put one of our patterns or 2 of our patterns into a booklet that you can print off. Okay, so you purchase it for $19, and there's 40 crochet patterns from many different designers here in the crochet community. I have 2 of my crochet patterns in there. I have the Spiderweb Wrap, as well as the Owl Be Warm hat. So it's an owl hat that is super furry and fuzzy. It uses Hygge yarn by Red Heart Yarns, which I absolutely love that yarn because it's so fuzzy and beautiful. And perfect for the cool weather approaching very fast. The weather change has made my allergies go insane today. But that's besides the point. The other thing I have is the Spiderweb Wrap, which is like a shawl in the shape of a spider web. It looks really cool. And it's great for Halloween coming up next month. Halloween, oh my gosh. Okay, we'll get into that in just a minute. But this Crochet Super Bundle is available until Friday. So, after Friday ends, it is no longer available to purchase ever again. There are some wonderful fall pieces in there, from sweaters to home decor, amigurumi, blankets, scarves, hats. I mean, you name it, it's probably in there. So you can check it out by clicking the link in the description of this video, and if you use that special link and purchase a bundle, you will get an extra crochet pattern from me specifically, using this front and back post stitch is going to be this Aspen baby blanket. So you will get the PDF file for this blanket. You can print it off and save it forever. I do have the video tutorial for free on YouTube, but a lot of people like to print the pattern and then take it with them so they don't have to refer back to the internet or anywhere. They just have it in front of them. If you can read crochet patterns, this is such an easy way to collect patterns and get them and keep them forever for yourself. So check out the fall crochet bundle that is ending on Friday. And if you purchase one, you are directly supporting YARNutopia. So thank you to everybody who has purchased one already. I really appreciate it. It's such a wonderful bundle, and it's a win-win for everybody. It's such a great thing to do. And I appreciate Nikki putting these together. Nikki from Nikki's Homemade Crafts, she puts these bundles together. She gets the sponsor. So We Crochet is sponsoring the giveaways. And the giveaway, if you purchase a bundle, you get entered into the giveaway already. And if you win, there's a giveaway each day, and if you win, you'll get something from Furls Crochet this time. So Furls Crochet, it has crochet hooks, they have different yarns, different products. I mean, Furls is amazing. So you will be entered, and they have gift cards as well. So you can win anything each day this week. So, and also if you purchase, you get this crochet pattern for this blanket as well, using my link. So thanks to everybody who has purchased one already. You guys are wonderful. But that is all I wanted to say about that. Then this Aspen baby blanket is my latest pattern, and I was so grateful that my dad could come and film with me. My mom, Grammy, she watched Nasser while my dad and I filmed, and it was such a great tutorial because I tried to film this by myself, and I failed like 5 times. So it is just so much better. I so appreciate my dad and his help and how he gets into the stitches and knows exactly where to film and what to film, so I can show all of you how to crochet, because without him I don't know how I would do it, really. It's really difficult for me to do it alone, to film and crochet and try to keep my hands in frame and zoom in and then produce the video, you know, edit the video, produce the video, put it up on YouTube, all these steps. So he does literally everything, and I don't have to worry about it. So I'm so grateful for him. And speaking of my dad, he does all that. You know, he's a videographer and a photographer. But he doesn't just do videos for YARNutopia. He actually has another YouTube channel. It's called Ambient Sounds. It's kind of like ASMR, and it is so wonderful. Like, I listen to these videos. It's all nature. He goes out in nature and films for hours and then puts them up on YouTube, and it's like when you want to meditate or relax or just have background noise of like waterfalls and nice scenery. He films the actual picture so you can see the waterfalls happening or nature just doing its thing, and it is so fascinating and so beautiful, and he captures it on camera and then he posts it up on his YouTube, Ambient Sounds. Excuse me. You should definitely check it out. Subscribe to his channel because he's so close to 1,000 subscribers, and then once he hits 1,000 subscribers, he can, you know, YouTube opens up many more avenues and doors for YouTubers who have more subscribers, I guess. So definitely check out his channel. We can't thank him enough for everything he does for YARNutopia. So that's the least we can do is I can share his YouTube channel. The link is in the description of this video. I also posted it on all my social platforms. If you haven't found it, you can go to my Instagram and hit the link in my bio, and it's right there, Ambient Sounds YouTube channel. Just click that subscribe. If you subscribe to his channel or comment on his videos, let him know I sent you. And also just check out his videos. Just see how beautiful they are. They are so wonderful. You can put one on YouTube while you're crocheting your project and just listen to the relaxing sounds. I can't guarantee you will stay awake because they are so relaxing. You might take a nap, but it's the best thing. So check it out. My dad is so amazing with his new YouTube channel. I love it. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. And the other thing I have been working on coming up soon is Halloween. So we have our Halloween costumes and our projects. I can show you a little sneak peek. Hang on. Okay, so the sneak peek is this. That's all I can show you. I can't tell you if I'm making this smaller or bigger or what it is or how long it is, how short it is. This is all you get. So take your guesses of what we're going to be this year for Halloween, but it is going to be so epic and so wonderful, and Nasser is going to look so adorable. So I can't wait to finish up these projects and share with you new projects coming up in the next month. I have about 5 pieces, I think, or 6 pieces to crochet for Halloween. And then the rest we're going to just thrift, but we are going to look so fabulous and colorful. Look at how colorful. It's super rainbow-like, so I love it so much. So that's a small reveal. And then also I'm working on a shirt, not for Halloween, just for funsies, that I will be doing a tutorial on. So I'll show you that part. It's in pieces right now, but this goes like this, and then this one goes like this, right? And they're going to overlap in the front and the back. And then I'm going to have like a little band around the bottom, and it's going to be kind of like a crop top, but I'll show you ways to make it longer for those of you who don't like wearing crop tops. But I've been all about the crop top phase with the trends going on in the world. So yeah, this, and then there's going to be a band down here, and then I'm going to sew it all together and make a shirt. Super easy. This is all single crochet. And this yarn is super colorful. This is Comfy Cotton Blend. So it's a cotton shirt. It's going to wash great. It's going to wear great. It's going to absorb great. I love it. And that's Lion Brand yarn. So thanks to Lion Brand for sending me that. And this this Halloween costume is going to be using Lion Brand yarn as well. So excited for that. And then this Aspen baby blanket, I did use Basic Stitch anti-pilling yarn for that as well. So lots of Lion Brand yarn around here. Love that. But yeah, that's really everything that I wanted to share with you. Nasser has been taking up all of my time, but he is so wonderful, just growing so fast, and he is he's doing his therapies every week, and he's doing so much better. He's so funny, and he's been singing. His new thing is singing and dancing, and when he like starts bouncing around, I go, break it down, Nasser, and then he like starts bouncing even more. Like, it's the cutest thing. I hope I could get it on camera someday. He is so cute. And him singing, his favorite song is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. He can sing that word for word from the top. Like, it is amazing. And that's his, like, cue to go to bed. Like, I'll start singing Twinkle, Twinkle, and then he'll, like, start walking to bed, like, right before bedtime. It's so cute. But he is quite a wild child. I love it. He keeps me active, that's for sure. So he's probably waking up from his nap, so I should probably go. But I appreciate everybody staying and listening to me talk and looking past my allergies. I appreciate it so much. I'm really excited to get these new projects out to everybody before Halloween and reveal our Halloween costumes as a family. I do it every single year, and we all go all out, so this year's going to be really great. It's going to be all bright colors. It's going to be great. So until next time, I hope that's next week, hopefully soon. I will see you then. Until then, stay safe out there, and happy hooking. Bye.